Now we see that in Connecticut, gun owners are actually revolting and refusing to register their guns and their ammunition clips. A new law that went in at the beginning of the year. Gun owners in Connecticut have revolted against this, with only 38,000 out of 2.5 million high-capacity magazines being registered with authorities. Now, this figure of 2.5 million, 2.4 million, comes from a 2011 Office of Legislative Research study that found, quote, there are over 2.4 million large-capacity magazines in Connecticut that originated at the retail level. Now, of course, that doesn't even include those that were not purchased at retail level. And the danger of this is that we all know that registration precludes confiscation. And just as we saw with the previous story, when the police come to your home to look into the fact that you have guns, they may very well be afraid of the fact that you might shoot them. And we've seen over and over again that the police are given carte blanche to kill anybody that they feel concerned about, if they're scared in any way whatsoever, or feel like they're threatened in any way whatsoever, and many of them feel threatened just knowing that you have a gun. This is a very serious issue. This is something that the feel-good liberals have thrust on people, but we understand what's behind this. We know that it is a prelude to confiscation, and it creates a very dangerous flashpoint situation between citizens and an out-of-control police departments.